Hey guys, Drew here. Happy New Year to you. So one of my New Year's resolutions has been to clean the old Chevy Tahoe here. It's a mess. And so I have actually, that video I did on sealing the windshield leaked again after 2 years. And I leave the car sit for a while, so I didn't realize it was leaking again. And man, mildew got everywhere in the Tahoe. And even on the upholstery here, it's really messy. So how do you clean mildew off of upholstery in your car or even anywhere else? Well, I read somewhere that vinegar and a solution of water, or just straight vinegar, you probably want to mix it with water. I did a 50-50 solution, vinegar and water, gets rid of mildew. And it turns out it's true, because you can't use bleach on your fabric. It will just, it'll bleach this out and it'll ruin it. So this works. Now your car may smell like vinegar for a little bit, but you can always put something else on there. So anyway, we're just gonna spray a little on here. The fabric everywhere, I mean, it's all over the car. You can use this just to clean the dash too, but it got all over here. So we're just gonna spray it on all these spots, because this is mildew. It's gross, and my truck smells awful every time. There's some big spots right there. So we're gonna wipe this down afterwards, and it should get some heavy spots here. All right, so what I'm gonna show you, yeah, like I said, I'm using a 50-50 solution, and this is just a standard spray bottle. You can make your own spray bottle. This is one of those other ones. But let's get to the wiping here. And I tried wiping this with like regular ammonia and window cleaner, and it did not seem to come off as easily. So vinegar is actually a disinfectant. And look at that, it actually comes out. So I can't believe that, and I'm happy. So I tried Lysol on this. That's what I tried before, Lysol, and it got rid of the smell, but not the stains. So, because this is pretty badly stained. So we're vinegaring up our car here, and it gets it right out of that fabric. Now, like I said, you might spray some cleaner on it later to make it smell better, but you can't use bleach on the interior of your car. It'll ruin it. So, all right, guys, well, there's your hack. I'm going to promise to get you some more good videos for the new year. But for now, there you have it. If you've got a leak in your windshield, or if you left a window open and your car started mildew on the inside, use some vinegar and water, maybe a 50-50 solution. And if it's not coming off, you can use a stronger one, and it'll actually take it out of the fabric. I'm so happy about it. You can use it on your seats too. So yeah, to kill that vinegar smell, just, you know, let it dry, and then you can spray some carpet cleaner or something in there later. But man, this works great. Can't believe it, I got my truck back. It was so awful smelling. So next to fixing the leak. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe if you found this video and it helped you out. For my subscribers, you guys have a happy new year. And if you're already a subscriber, maybe you hit that notification bell. It'll the little bell will let you know every time I post a video. Some of you probably already did that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helped you clean your car with mildew out of your car without ruining your fabric. Have a good one, guys.